comes in this case. BOKER Plus. A little zip case here. And here's the knife. Now, this is a quick look at this knife. Put that in here. We got a couple little manuals and fun stuff. Has a few pouches in the case. But nothing in them. So it's a pretty nice case, a pretty big case for this small knife. Now let's open the knife up. Alright, so this is wrapped into some like parchment paper type foil. And here is the first look at the knife. Ooh, nice wood handle. It's very small, which that's why I chose this knife, is because it's fit in my pocket very nicely. So you pull the blade out here. Has all those layers. Ooh, yeah. Pretty slick knife, to be honest. It's super sharp. Has a little pocket holder like all pocket knives do, and it has the simple safety in the middle of the handle to fold down. Has no flick thing on there, just a pull. And there's your knife. Yeah, looking good. Really cool blade. 67 layers on the blade. Alright, so I found this little piece of paper here. Ooh. So if y'all like this, please comment down below and I can do more unboxings, quick unboxings just like this. So please leave a comment down below and subscribe and make sure to smash the like button. Catch you guys in the next one.